In Mumbai, where there was zero adherence to COVID norms, there were scenes of overcrowding, people roaming without masks and cluttering up in buses and taxi stands. Have a look.
Time and again, the Maharashtra state government have been releasing their guidelines, and yesterday also they did the same for restaurants, for malls, for clubs, clearly stating that if any establishment will go and flout the norms, they will have to be shut till the end of pandemic. But what about the places which have massive overcrowding, like markets, like public transport? Guidelines have not been issued for those places. Similarly, right now, you can see that here in Dadar market, it's overcrowded at this point in time, and this is the visual that we see every day here. Maharashtra, which is witnessing a second COVID wave, it is reporting high number of cases in the last 1 month, but still on the ground level, we continue people flouting COVID norms. We do not see them wearing masks. We do not see them wearing, mask at all times. We do not see them maintaining social distancing. And all this is one of the reasons why we are looking at the state witnessing highest number of COVID cases. COVID appropriate behavior not being followed by the citizens. That is one of the reasons. Time and again, even the center has said in their multiple reports after the visit. Maharashtra government have been releasing the guidelines. Norms have been tightened for restaurants, for clubs, for private offices. But when you talk about such places where usually the footfall is more, there is no such guidelines issued in such places. If you see, there is no one even to monitor the situation on the ground level, to actually ask people to wear a mask or to maintain social distancing, nothing of that sort. So this is the biggest concern now, because Maharashtra is reporting 16% of positivity rate, which has gone up from 12% in the past 1 week alone. Mumbai, which is one of the worst affected city, is already witnessing over and above 11% of positivity rate, up from 5%. So these kind of concerns are real, but COVID appropriate behavior is the need of an hour.
Well, let's bring you